Jai Gurudev student. Today we'll start the similarities of hydrogen with halogen. Now the topic is similarities with halogen. First of all, the non-metallic character. Hydrogen is a non-metal like halogen. So hydrogen is non-metal. For example, if I write like halogen, if I write NaH, the H is your non-metal, sodium hydride, NaCl, Cl is the non-metal. Like that, electronic configuration, hydrogen having one electron, electronic configuration 1. So this is short of one electron from the next noble gas helium, helium having 2 electrons. So fluorine having 9 electrons, 2,7, it is short of one electron from the next near guest neon, which is 10 electrons. Similarly, chlorine having 287, it is short of one electron from the argon, it is 288, 287, one electron short. Here it is, we are getting that one electron short. Here also we are getting one electron short. Now, diatomic nature. Now hydrogen, we know that hydrogen we are writing H2, so it is diatomic. Similarly, halogens, fluorine F2, chlorine Cl2, Br2, I2. All these things are diatomic. So this is the similarities of halogen with the hydrogen. Next one is your electronegative nature. Now hydrogen gains one electron, gives you the hydride, just like that chlorine gains one electron, gives you the chloride. So if we do the electrolysis of fused metal hydride, then hydrogen is discharged at the anode like halogen. In the electrolysis of fused metal halides. Now if I take that sodium hydride, sodium is positive, hydrogen is negative, so negative moves towards the anode which is positive. So hydrogen lose 2 electron to gives you hydrogen gas. Similarly here Na positive, Cl negative, so both these things are similar. So Na positive, Cl negative, at anode we have 2 Cl negative gives you Cl2 plus 2 electron. So Cl negative goes to anode, hydrogen negative goes to anode. In that case both are similar. Now next is similar covalent compounds, means hydrogen and halogen makes similar covalent compound. Hydrogen may form several covalent compounds similar to that of halogen. For example, CH4, SiH4, germanium hydride, like that. So CH4 we have CCl4, so hydrogen and chlorine is similar. SiH4 we have SiCl4, hydrogen chlorine similar. GeH4 we have GeCl4, both these things are similar. Now oxidation state or number. Hydrogen like halogen shows -1 oxidation state similar to in similar compounds, means this is sodium hydride oxidation state is -1. Now halogen having the oxidation state -1, chlorine again halogen -1, -1. So what we have observed that hydrogen having -1 oxidation state, halogens also having -1 oxidation state. The oxidation state they are similar. Now in valency, hydrogen forms electrovalent compound with strongly electropositive elements. Now strongly electropositive elements, for example sodium, strongly electropositive element, calcium, strongly electropositive element. So hydrogen forms electrovalent compound with strongly electropositive element, just like sodium with hydrogen, sodium with chlorine, so calcium with chlorine. So hydrogen can form electrovalent compound with strong electropositive elements such as your sodium, calcium, etc. Next one is hydrogen forms covalent compound with nonmetals. So it is CH4, is a covalent compound, just like chlorine can form CCl4. This is also covalent compound. NH3 is a covalent compound, NCl3 is a covalent compound. These are similar, TH3, PCl3. So all of them can form the covalent compounds. Now, thus hydrogen properties, some of the properties of hydrogen matches with the alkali metals, some of the properties of hydrogen matches with the alkaline earth metals. So hydrogen has given a separate position in the periodic table. Now this is your hydrogen, so it is separate position. This is the first group 1, group 2, group 3, group 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So hydrogen is placed in between. Now we have just written hydrogen above the carbon. So you see, in many respects hydrogen resembles with carbon. Hydrogen having one electron in the first shell of half filled. Now you see, first shell contains two electrons. So hydrogen electronic configuration with one electron like that. So it is half filled with the first shell. If I take carbon with 6 electrons, the first shell is 2 electron, second shell is 2 plus 2. Second shell maximum capacity is 8, but it is half filled with the 4 electrons. So you can say that hydrogen 1 electron first shell is half filled, and carbon with 4 electrons second shell is half filled. Now in many organometallic compound, hydrogen resembles with some organometallic compounds like that. This is organometallic compound. Metal, carbon, hydrogen makes organometallic compound. Now this organometallic compound resembles with the lithium hydride. Another organometallic compound, lithium C2H5 organometallic compound resembles with lithium hydride. If I consider the NH3, that resembles with NCH3 thrice. So, or C2H5 thrice N. So these are the organometallic compound. This again, ammonia resembles with this one, this one. Now this is silicon hydride resembles with CH3SiH3. This is, you see, 3 hydrogen and 1 hydrogen is replaced by CH3 group. Similarly, there is 2 hydrogen, 2 CH3 replace the 1 hydrogen. So hydrogen resembles with the organometallic compound. So these are the things about your hydrogen position. Next class will start preparation. Thank you.